Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. So I will hope that you are well. Today I want to show you how to make a portrait and landscape in same document in your Microsoft Office application. So first of all, we need to know why we should use about this. So in our various activities, we need to same document portrait and landscape. First of all, supposed to say when we want to need to just first pages for covering in our official or any others requirement. So this time we will create, and we created these pages like first page landscape, but after second page this page we need it for landscape or portrait. But what should we do? So don't worry, in this video I will cover about this region. So let's start the video. First of all, supposed to say now I am selected this page is portrait, you can see here. So I need to this page landscape. So when you wanna create about this region, this time you need to more pages. Supposed to say I need to another page and paste some what. So now I need to first paste landscape and second one portrait. So for that, just when you will need about this one certain, you will select the particular area. Supposed to say I select for the whole document. Okay, and next go to the layout option and select to the page setup. Here you can see portrait and landscape. So I need to just landscape, and after that click to apply to whole document. No, I only apply here selected text. So before this one you selected your area, how much area you will need to landscape, and then okay. So this piece is now landscape and this is also landscape. So I come back again, go to the page setup and select selected area, not whole document. If you select here the whole document, the Word document, the whole pages will go to the landscape. So I need to just first page is landscape and select landscape and selected area, then okay. So here you can see only the selected area is the landscape and other one is the portrait. So supposed to say I need to enter third pages also need to the landscape. So go to the page setup again and sorry, so here is type something and selected the area and go to the select landscape and selected option. Okay, so this is also landscape. So this is a very easy system for you. And just go to the layout option. If the layout option is not available in your system, go to the insert option or page layout option. Okay, so I used 2019, that's in Office 2019. If you will use in your Office 2010, is just go to the just page layout option where you can select in your page setup. Okay, so this is the option of you can select very easily. Thank you very much for watching these videos and see you again to another one. Till then, bye, take care.